Hi guys, so welcome back. So in this video we'll be doing the tail of the snake. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw the tail of the snake. So because we want the tail of the snake to be the same size as the head, another thing we can do is we can duplicate the head here. Right click on your mouse to find a duplicate. So change this to tail. Okay, can throw away all this codes that previously belongs to the head, and then go to your costume. You can change the costume of the head, can delete the tongue, delete the eyes, and now you have your snake tail. So the next thing we want to do is we want to change the color of the tail. You can use gradient or you can stick to one color, is fine. So I'm going to use gradient in this for the snake tail. So I'm gonna use this color. With this. So you can choose the color that you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this color. Okay, so for the snake tail, if you are using gradient, you can do this code, because when the snake actually switches direction, we hope that the gradient actually switch the direction also. So we're gonna do an extra step here since we are using gradient. So you can go to your events here and see when space is pressed, when space key is pressed. So change this space key to right arrow. So when the right arrow is pressed, I want it to change the direction to right side. So 90 degrees is the right side. So another thing, we can duplicate this, and if left arrow, we're gonna change this to left side, and same goes for the up and down arrow. So change this, duplicate it, and change this to the down arrow, 180. So you can click your green flag and try it out. You can see for the color, it changes the direction. So when the head changes, we want the tail to change the color direction too. So if you're not using gradient, or you just want to use just one color, you don't have to do this code. It's just an extra step for the ones that we want to use gradient. Okay, so next I'm gonna create a clone of myself to follow the head, to follow the snake head. So let's go to your events here, that when green flag is clicked. Next thing we want is control forever, and forever I'll create a clone of myself. Okay, so I will create one clone of myself, and then I will wait for some seconds before I create another clone of myself. So let's go to wait 1 second. Okay, just now we choose 0.3, so let's put here 0.32. Okay, whenever you create a clone of yourself, I want it to go to the head here. So it will follow where the tail will follow the head movement. So let's go to here. When I start as a clone, I will go to my head. Okay, so let's see. So you can see it's following your head here. So next thing I want is I want to delete my clone here. So let's delete the extra ones. Let's also make it wait some second before we show the clone. So go to your control, take wait 0.3. We'll use back the same second, so whenever it creates itself, it will be same as the movement each time the movement of the head. So wait for 0.3 seconds. Only I would show myself. And let's wait another 0.3 seconds before I delete myself. Okay. This clone. Okay, so you can see it's right under there already. So the next thing I want to do is I want to hide myself here. So only my clone will be showing. So go to your looks right here and find hide. So at the beginning we will hide. So okay. You can see the tail right here is kind of lower, so let's adjust a bit the costume right here. Okay, so select the whole thing. So we're gonna move it. Okay, so this is my center point. I'm gonna move it a little bit right here. Okay, let's check. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so this will be the code for the tail here. The next thing we want to do is we want to actually code for the food that the snake is gonna eat. So we'll do this in our next video.